part of the good fathers them out there. Seeing all of them good fathers they will take care of them people, they will spend time with them youth, we don't get a money and a book for buy and say church. You never watch that. Like when the last year I take it out of your pocket and buy the book because guess what? Pickney have to learn and guess what? Education have to up. And so once them grow up and come up, they're not gonna forget you so. Seeing so watch now. I'm gonna show you something where you do where you never know. It's like a bank and you're putting in some money to get back the interest out. You understand? So that's up there. I want something where all of the man them at Jamaica have to be careful about. Take care of youth there. See? And nobody sit down and go like so when the youth them bus and come to something and say, I'm my soldier that I expect him to count millions from going on, them never take care of them. Listen man, all of them man there, where I do them something there, me I tell you no to chuck off. Hear me I say man, you see when no goss up, and ram, and seed bus up, and pick the band, man, we have to take care of them.
Hold on now, you see me I talk about one sitting on the TV station about the youth them. I mean I tell them say any our girl just call me name say the youth are for me. Even if me no go there me I take the youth. I see that thing
yes,
there? So yeah man I'm glad for the high reasoning.
Yes man, even if I jacket you no take them.
Take them.
Even if I jacket me say I no take them because you know what? When you no get old and get in a certain age and certain time, you know that say if me did know I would never get no youth.
And that are the DJ take for the Father's Day.
That are my take. Girl didn't shot them gone pan. Boy, I'm sorry for no. Last year I know. I'm sorry for no. All I want to get no youth, I'm sorry for no. See, I want to know, I want to big up my daughter and big up my two grandkids them and big up my son out there too. See, I whole heap for them out there, but some of the mothers they not come with some of them and some of the mothers them, way. With us.
Natural talk man.
Last year, good baby father on a big up.
Say that again, night talk.
Good baby fathers, big up anyone at the end of the world.
And Veteran TV fumble up that. Because we don't like triple, because that's rock the dumb blind and cripple. We fumble it.
And included me. Because I was, and I'm still, a good baby father.
Mighty night talk.
See?
Last year.
Because watch now, you see that book something there. Remember, I have all $30,000 when my baby mother said I said to one book for the youth. When me done spend and buy book, you know how much left? $1,000.
That I don't know.
But guess what? I never regret it. 16 subject. Sharika. Selassie I know. Country school. Big up that school at you know.
Yeah.
Selassie I know. But you know what me I say? All of the good baby father them. One up.
Double it.
Up.
How would that? Joanne.
Bless up to all the baby father, including Tati.
Late Tati. Original woman this road. Yes, here at Joanne. Big up yourself, mama.
Bless up Tati.
Seeing. Yeah man, a Veteran TV. Most reality.